Welcome to my comprehensive review of Shopify, the leading e-commerce platform used by millions of entrepreneurs and businesses worldwide. If you're looking for a platform to start your online store, Shopify is one of the top choices out there. In this video, I'll give you a full walkthrough of the platform, its features, and how it performs in real-world use. I'll also be sharing my honest thoughts on Shopify's strengths and weaknesses. Shopify has been known for its user-friendly interface, and that's something I really appreciate. When you first sign up, you're taken through a smooth onboarding process. Setting up your store is straightforward, even if you don't have technical experience. Shopify offers a variety of customizable themes, both free and paid, which you can use to design your store. You could also use the drag-and-drop builder to arrange products, images, and other elements without needing any coding skills. As far as payment processing goes, Shopify integrates with multiple payment gateways, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and more, which is a huge benefit for any e-commerce site. The platform also supports international payments, making it a good option for global businesses. One of Shopify's key selling points is its scalability, meaning it works just as well for small businesses as it does for large enterprises. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching this video, so make sure to check those out for further resources. Another important aspect of Shopify is its app marketplace. With over 3,000 apps available, you can easily extend the functionality of your store with features like marketing tools, inventory management, customer service support, and more. This flexibility is one of the reasons why Shopify is so popular with entrepreneurs who want to customize their stores to meet specific needs. Now, let's talk about pricing. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans, from the basic plan to more advanced options, with additional features like advanced reporting, lower transaction fees, and more. While the platform can be a bit pricey for some, especially for small businesses, the value it offers in terms of ease of use and features can justify the cost. Shopify's customer support is another area where the platform stands out. They offer 24/7 support via live chat, email, and phone. In addition, their knowledge base is extensive, with plenty of guides and tutorials to help you troubleshoot any issues on your own. In conclusion, Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms available today, thanks to its ease of use, scalability, and wide range of features. It's ideal for anyone looking to create an online store, whether you're just starting out or running a large-scale business. However, it does come in a higher price point, which might not be suitable for everyone. If you're willing to invest in an all-in-one e-commerce solution, Shopify is a solid choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and insights.